Hello and welcome to my sacred space. My name is Lauren Victoria, and I'm going to be guiding you through a breathing meditation to reduce feelings of anxiety. Anxiety is the way that our body communicates to us that it feels threatened and it feels fear. So the most important thing to know right now is that you are safe. Center your attention on the circle in the middle of the screen, watching it expand and contract. Start to sync your breath with the movement of this circle. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 3, 4, 5. Continue to sync your breath with the circle on the screen for the duration of this video. By slowing down the breath, we increase oxygen levels in our body, which communicates that it is safe to relax. As you continue to breathe, allow the body to melt away all of the tension that it is holding. You may start by unfurrowing your brow, unclenching your jaw, relaxing your shoulders down your neck, and unclenching your fists. Take your time in relaxing the parts of your body where you feel tension, heat, or itching. When you are ready, we will begin to accompany our breath work with the affirmations on the screen. At the top of each inhale, softly whisper, "I am safe." And at the bottom of each exhale, "I am secure." We will do the first few cycles together. Inhale, "I am safe." Exhale, "I am secure." I am safe. I am secure. I am safe. I am secure. When we are able to restore a sense of relaxation in ourselves, we free our minds for better creativity, problem solving, and planning. As you become more relaxed, you may begin to realize that not only are you safe, but you're also capable of overcoming whatever challenge, threat, or fear stands in your way. Thank you so much for tuning into this meditation. Please feel free to return to it anytime you're feeling anxiety. For more mental and spiritual wellness content, subscribe to my channel or follow me at The Highest Priestess across all platforms.